Hi, welcome back. So it's been a while since I made a video. I think I made one about the mural in the gym, and I am getting ready to finish up the gym. It's going to be, hopefully the next video on this channel is a gym reveal. It's not like we haven't been working on it for a year and a half, but I have ordered the final pieces that are necessary to finish it. And today I'm going to make some fun crafts. Some of them are for the gym, and then I'll probably end up making some tomorrow too. I don't think I have enough time today to do all of them. But yeah, some of these fun crafts are for the gym, and then some are going to be for my bedroom, which I'm hopefully going to be also trying to do a reveal video of soon. And so I'm going to be just making a couple of little crafts for today, and I thought it would be fun to show you guys just like crafting with me for the day. So if you don't know who I am, I'm Marissa. I do DIY. I'm working on a lot of design projects all at once, and they do end up usually taking me forever, but the reveals are always worth it. I promise that they're worth it in the end. Let's just get into this craft making. The first thing that we're making is Tulle disco balls. I saw them on TikTok. Let me pull up the little screenshot and show you. Okay, so I saw this girl making these disco balls on TikTok that are like hanging from this really brightly colored tulle, and I think it's so adorable. So I'm gonna try and recreate these, and I have some tulle here with me. Let me set you guys up. Okay, so I have 3 different colors of tulle, and these go with the colors of the gym. I thought about getting purple too. I might make some purple ones eventually, but these are the colors. And then I also got some fun silver. I don't know if you can see how it is sparkling, but we'll see what I end up doing with that. And so I've been watching this girl's videos about how she did these disco balls. And there was a time apparently where Five Below had disco balls. I think some people are still getting lucky and finding them, and they're these really good sized disco balls. I think they're 6 inches for $5 at Five Below. I think I ended up paying $9 or $10 on Amazon because my Five Below did not have them. And I have all of the disco balls here. Look how cool they are. Oh my gosh, I love them. This is kind of giving me some Christmas disco ball ideas. We'll see if I end up doing any Christmas decorating. I have a feeling I might want to incorporate disco balls. They're just a cute little trend. Let's be honest, it probably won't last forever, but they're cute. They're so cool, and I think that it matches the aesthetic of my gym really well, because the gym is a lot of flat black and white, and then bursts of color and pops of really fun things like LED lighting and the big mural that I made, and just lots of really fun elements, and disco balls are nothing but fun. And so I have 4 of this 6-inch size, and then I got 2 big ones. Let's open this. Whoa, they're shining lights all over the room right now. That's crazy. Here are the bigger ones. So here's a little size comparison. I just wanted to do some varying sizes just to add some interest and some variety. So these are 8-inch, these are 6-inch. They both came from Amazon. I'll put links down below. They're just super, super cool. Love them. When these things catch the light, this is crazy. Look at the pattern on the wall. Okay, the first thing that I'm gonna do to all 6 of them is to shorten the string by about half of the length. So I'm gonna do that to all of them. Okay, so now I'm gonna pick a color that I want for each one and make the long string that they're gonna hang by. Okay, so as you can see, sorry, it's hard with the light hitting this. These strands are very, very thin. Like, this is the color of it. This is the color, but it's very thin, so it almost looks whitish. So I'm gonna double them up and tie another one right next to it and just kind of get some more color. Okay, so now I have 5 pieces of tulle that are about the same length, and then I'm gonna take them, and I learned this all on TikTok, so I will link the video below where she shows how to do this, but I'm just gonna tie them around this. So I'm literally gonna just whip it around and tie it in a knot around the base. Okay, hi, it's the next day and I finished all of my disco balls. My camera died yesterday while I was making like the last 4 of them, and so I'm gonna pick them up and show them to you as best as I can. Okay, here are 2 of them and the rest are in this box right here. So as you can see, they're super poofy. I'll insert a clip that I posted on Instagram of all of them hanging together, and then I'm gonna take one right now actually and try to hang it in the gym and see what it looks like. Okay, I hung one up and I'm kind of really zoomed in because I don't want you to see the rest of the gym. You can see part of the pegboard here, but we'll just consider that a little surprise. So that is one disco ball hanging, and then I would want to hang like 2 more kind of at different lengths around it. So I think it's cute. I think it's really cool. Okay, time for our next craft of the video. You guys are gonna love this. I found these at Lowe's. I didn't even know Lowe's had like a decor section, but these were on clearance for $10. There was 2 of them, so I got both of them, and I got like some other stuff too, because like they had paintings and like some really cool canvases and stuff for like $8. So these were 10, I think, and then I got several that were $8, and the reason I got them is because they're framed and I can just repurpose them. So for $10, I'm gonna paint over this and we're gonna make a little craft. So here's what we're aiming for. Several months ago, I made these, and I don't even know if you can really tell, but there's like texture to it. Do you see how I like took kind of like a comb through it and added some texture? But they're just white canvases, and so the cool part about them was gonna be like all of this texture. It's super dusty right now, which is part of the problem, but I took like joint compound, which is the stuff I put on this brick wall right here, and it's like thick. It's like plaster basically, and I put it all over these, and then I scraped through it and made the texture. But then I thought that I needed to paint over it to make it more white, and actually when I painted over it, I ended up hating it. I liked the more like beige color that it was before, but I can't really get it back to that unless I just do a whole new layer. And so when I found those, I was like, well, I'll just do a brand new layer of everything, but those are framed, so that's like way cooler. And these are gonna go in my bedroom. The plan has always been for 2 of these to go like above my TV. And so those are nice because they're square. And now I can just like do something else with these because I like it a lot better that those are framed. But first, I have to tape all of the edges because I don't want to get plaster all over the frame. Okay, I prepped the canvases last night. I just need to go to Lowe's and get a tool that I can scrape through the plaster and kind of make like tooth marks going through it. I'll put a picture right here of what the vibe is gonna be and what I'm trying to do. So I'll show you that I prepped them all. Okay, so the edges are all taped so that when I go to put plaster on them, I'm not gonna get it on the wooden frame. Okay, so I need to put a coat of white on these canvases before I put the plaster on, just in case you can see through any spots of the plaster. I just want it to be white in the back, so I'm gonna do a coat of white now.
life really does go on forever. I know I choose you every time. You say you're the only one for me, yeah. So if you love me, then tell me how much longer do I have to wait? I'm not getting any stronger, I'm losing my faith. And I could be wrong, but I swear it's true. Yeah, even if the world gives up on us, I won't give up on you.
You want a forever thing, I'm taking my time thinking, just so I'm sure.
Okay, the two canvases are done. I'm covered in this stuff. I'll show you them real quick and then I'm gonna let the plaster dry and come back and peel the tape off. Okay, here's one. You can see that kind of beige color is exactly what I was going for. And here's the other one. They're so cool, I love them. Okay, I've let them dry for a little while. Let's try to peel this tape off of here. Okay, I took the tape off of the frames and this is what they look like. They are so cool, I love them. I can't wait to hang them up. Thank you so much for watching. The lighting is really yellow in here because I'm in the shed and there's like only yellow lighting above me. Sorry about that. But I'm so glad that you wanted to watch this video. I hope you enjoyed the crafts that we did. The disco balls are so cool. I will include some clips in my gym reveal if I do decide to hang them in the gym. And then I cannot wait to hang those two canvases in my bedroom. I'll have an upcoming video, hopefully soon, of changing a couple of things out in my bedroom, and so I'll include those in that. If you're not subscribed, please hit the subscribe button. That helps me out so much. It would mean the world if you would do that. Also, don't forget to like the video. That is the easiest way to just help me by clicking one single button. You just click the like button and it really helps my channel grow. Also, comment which craft was your favorite. I don't even like calling them crafts because I feel like they're much more than that. Like, I'm making decor pieces. And so comment which piece of decor was your favorite, the disco balls or the plaster canvases. If you want to follow me on Instagram, follow me at Marissa Designs. That's where I post a lot of exciting content about DIY, about home decor, things like that. I really love spending time on that Instagram. And be sure to come back next week because my home gym is finished. We finished it yesterday. Now all I have to do is film the reveal video and that will be coming at you next Monday. I'm so excited to share that with you guys. It's going to be so fun. I think your minds are going to be a little bit blown. But I love you guys so much. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.
Something that can last. We can mess it up.